shepherd, I shall not be in want. He makes me lie down in green pastures, and He leads me beside the waters so still, and He restoreth my soul for His name's sake. And He guides me in paths of righteousness, and He restoreth my soul for His name's sake, for His name's sake.